how to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. To do this, first of all, open your Gmail account and then from there choose any option in which you want to create your account. For now, I am choosing Google and hit on the continue. From there, you will see create account option. Hit on that and select for my personal use and add your name and your birth date and hit on the next. Now you will be asked to create a username. You can create any one or you can use the suggested one as well. Now create a strong password. After this, if you are asked your phone number, then there down you will see skip option. Simply hit on that. You don't really have to provide your phone number to create Gmail account. At last, hit on the I agree and your Gmail account will be created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.